Budget gaming monitors under $150. Two names dominating: Xiaomi G24i and the Koorui 24e3. Both promise high refresh rates and solid performance, but which one actually delivers better value for your money? Let's break down the specs and see who wins. Here's the first major difference. The Xiaomi G24i runs at 180Hz, while the Koorui delivers 165Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time. That's a 15Hz advantage for the Xiaomi. Both competitive gamers chasing every frame, those extra hertz could matter, but in real-world gaming, most users won't notice the difference, so both are buttery smooth. Both monitors use splash IPS panels with 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution and 1 millisecond response times. The Koorui features 99% sRGB color gamut coverage with 16.7 million colors and 250 CD per meter square brightness. The Xiaomi G24 also covers 99% sRGB with factory color calibration, delivering delta E less than 2 for accurate colors. Plus, it edges ahead with 250 nits typical brightness. Both offer 178-degree viewing angles and excellent color accuracy. The picture quality essentially identical. Both are great for gaming and decent for content creation. The Koorui includes gaming features like crosshair function for better targeting, timer function for time-based games, and multi-mode settings. The Xiaomi counters with AMD FreeSync technology to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. Both monitors support VESA mounting and include modern minimalistic designs with ultra-slim frames. Connection-wise, both offer HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.4. Here's where it gets interesting. The Koorui 24e3 is currently priced at around $96.99, down from its regular $149.99, making it one of the cheapest 165Hz IPS monitors available. The Xiaomi G24i is typically retails between $120 to $150 depending on your region. That's a significant price difference. The Koorui is often $30 to $50 cheaper, while delivering nearly identical performance. It also comes with a 3-year warranty and 12-month replacement service, adding extra value and peace of mind. For pure value, the Koorui wins hands down. You're getting 90% of the performance at 70% of the price. The Xiaomi G24i's extra 15Hz and brand recognition don't justify the premium. Choose the Xiaomi only if you want that factory color calibration with delta E less than 2, or find it cheaper in your region. Otherwise, the Koorui is the smarter buy. It's cheaper, performs nearly identically, and comes with extra warranty coverage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.